Season greeting, Meiza Nigeria. My name is Godwin Victory. For my here are my ingredients for my yummy party jollof rice. So I steamed the meat. I added pepper, onions, spices, seasoning cube, salt, and some spices. Then I steamed the meat. Then I go ahead by frying the meat. Then added my onions. Allow it to fry for a while. Added the tomato paste. Allow it to simmer for a while. Then I go ahead added my tomato mix that contains shombo, tatashe, and carrots, fresh curry leaf. I blended it together to give it this unique aroma and taste. You can see the color is already, that party they love giving. It's giving already. Then I added my seasoning cubes, salt, and local spices. Wow. Then I added the tomato inside. Added the meat stock. Then I stir it together, check for the seasonings, and then go ahead and add my rice. Wow. Then I added water, stir it together, cover it, and allow it to cook. Wow, the rice is already halfway done. So I added my my veggies. What, sir? That's a yummy party jollof. Oh, would they check are you seeing the color? The color is giving, right? It's giving, right? It's very yummy. It's very, very yummy, delicious, everything party jollof. Wow, thank you so much, Meiza Nigeria, for this opportunity. It's a rare privilege, and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy for granting us this opportunity. Thank you. God bless you. And this rice is very yummy. It's very delicious. It's very everything you think of party jollof rice. I'm really appreciative of this privilege. God bless you. Have the best of the season. Enjoy yourself and have fun. Make merry of the season. God be with you. Bye.